everybody. It's Kelly, and I have another video for you, or a new video for you. And I'm going to use this background paper here. That paper, star paper, is from Bella Boulevard, the Oh My Stars collection, and it's the punch colored stars. And I knew I was going to use that paper that I just grabbed, and I wanted to use the stars to frame it. So I took a little measurement, and there's the paper, so you can finally see it. It's that gorgeous ice cream paper. Oh my gosh, the ice cream cone paper. It's so darling. That is from Bella Boulevard, Illustrated Faith, Delight in His Day, and it's the Sprinkle with Bliss paper. And I knew I had that. No, I didn't buy it for these photos. I knew I happened to have it because I had seen it and kind of put it aside for any ice cream photos. Then I'm resting that photo cluster there on that sprinkle paper, which is the back side of that Sprinkle with Bliss paper. And I had started this video, or I'd started taping when I realized that it had shut off. So I already cut the mat for that, for those ice cream cones. And that would be the, oh, and I don't think I wrote it down, guys. I am so sorry. It is from Bella Boulevard as well. And it's an older paper that you can't get a hold of anymore. So anyway, I'm going to use that sticker from, and that's just a little journaling sticker that says Signs of Summer, and it's from the Bella Boulevard Sunshine and Happiness paper, and it's the Just Right journaling stickers. I happen to store my summer stuff together, or at least things that I only have one sheet of, like that is in my Simple Stories summer folder, so that I use it. Then right now I'm looking at using those brads, and those brads are from the Simple Stories Summer Days collection, the decorative brads. And as I'm kind of playing with that, I know I want something on that journaling sticker besides just the brad. So I find that little like drumstick sticker, and then that kind of chocolate fudgesicle sticker. And that is from Simple Stories Summer Vibes, the Fundamentals cardstock sticker. Both of those are from there. When I put those down, then I decide to just go to the striped brad there. And when I pulled that off, I pulled it off kind of funny, and the sticky came off the back or whatever. So I was using my my Scotch Tacky Glue in the fine line bottle. All right, so I'm going to take a little time here, and I'm going to use my button shank remover to remove the back of these brads here. The reason I'm doing that is with this particular one, I want it in an exact place, and I have a hard time poking holes in the exact place with these because of the way they're constructed at the back. So I just decided to take them off, the back side of that brad off. I like the new ones in some of the collections where they are just sticky back brads, where they don't have any legs on them, I guess. So then I'm going to just use my glue dot here on the back of that, and that also helps kind of protect the paper behind it as well too, because if it's got any rough edges on it still, it'll protect that, because that's a thicker piece there. So I made that little cluster there, and now I'm looking at other things. I have that little, I think that is also a sticker, that pink popsicle. It is. That's from the Fundamentals cardstock stickers from Summer Vibes as well. Now I'm going through some of the die cuts, the ephemera. There's that sheet that I was just taking some of the pieces off. I'm thinking about putting that little green heart up there. There is green in the sprinkles and that green is in the sprinkles. But I couldn't find something. I didn't like like the color of what was stuck on it. And it was just too much green. There is green on there, but you really can't see it. So I decided to pull that off. So now I'm kind of looking at the die cuts for the die cuts for Summer Days, And that is where I got the Summer Lovin' piece there. That came from the Summer Days Bits and Pieces is what it's called. Kind of looking to see what else I might be able to use there. And I do like, there's a lot of orange in this, so it's kind of nice that I have something with some orange in it. Just playing, I want to cluster up at the top there. Then I find that snow cone die cut from the Summer Days Bits and Pieces. And then I grab that heart brad there. Decide I'm going to combine those. But I'm not loving the fact that it was only 2 pieces up there. So I grabbed this little piece off that Bella Boulevard Just Right journaling stickers from Sunshine and Happiness, and it says Taste of Summer, which this ice cream definitely is. And I have to tell you, this is from my favorite ice cream store anywhere, and it's about 4 hours north of me. So I go up to this city Memorial Day and Labor Day usually with some friends, which I just put out there on the internet. Anyway, so I go up there at least twice a year, and I love this ice cream. We go at least once, often 2, and sometimes even 3 times while we're up there on a weekend. So then I grab that popsicle sticker again. And that was from the Simple Stories Fundamental cards, or Summer Vibes, sorry, Fundamentals cardstock stickers. Summer Vibes, Summer Days. Summer Days, I believe, was last year, and Summer Vibes was the year before that for Simple Stories. And that, I just grabbed my Crop-A-Dile and put a hole in it in the paper. I wasn't as concerned about being exact with that one as I was with the other one. And the other one, the reason I was concerned about being exact is I wanted it to cross the bottom of that journaling sticker and touch the fudgesicle in a particular place. So that's why I was being a little bit fussy about the whole thing. All right, so now I'm looking at letters and trying to figure out what I'm going to use. I do love these pink letters, this really scripty font, and I really wanted to call this a toast with ice cream, and I wanted to call it ice cream toast, but I didn't have enough T's, and I could fake a T or MacGyver a T as I often do, but I didn't think it was going to look as good in this scripty alpha, so I'm going to change the title around instead of ice cream toast, because we were literally kind of toasting there as I took the picture for Instagram, to toast with ice cream. And I'll just mix my fonts there. All right, so I wanted that M was falling off, literally kind of falling off the edge there. I don't like that when the letters do that. If they extend too far over, they look like they're not resting on anything. So I moved the I over on top of that Taste of Summer sticker, and then that brought the M to just where the kind of curly Q piece is there. So now it looks like it's resting on something. That's the reason I did that. I'm just thinking about this ice cream. My ice cream was like a chocolate cookie ice cream. I can't remember exactly what it's called. It was chocolate, and then it had all sorts of Oreos and fudge and all sorts of other stuff in it, and then coconut. Coconut is one of my 2 favorite ice cream flavors, that and peanut butter. Oh, the chocolate also had peanut butter in it too. Oh, you know what? I think I said that. I think it actually was peanut butter Revel ice cream now that I think about it. Chocolate peanut butter Revel. Oh, well, my journaling's not right, but that's okay. I couldn't remember on the day I did this what it was actually called. All right, so now I'm just using my wax paper to line this all up. And I'm really craving ice cream now. It's okay, I ran 6 miles this morning, so and it about killed me. It was really hot and humid here today, so I earned an ice cream if I wanted it. It's just I won't be getting it today. Maybe this weekend. All right. What I'm doing, because the fonts on this font are all mixed, I was just kind of playing around. And I'm doing something, you guys, that, oh my goodness, I have a T-square ruler, and I could make this a straight title, but I was too lazy to do it, frankly. I think I had just I know what it was. I wanted to be done scrapbooking as much fun as I was having, because it was later in the day on a Sunday and I wanted to go sit on my front porch with a glass of wine to read a book. So there's another one of my guilty pleasures in the summer besides the ice cream. So what I did here is I was bouncing the letters a little bit up and down there so it's not exactly straight. All right, so I went to my sequin stash here. It's kept in a hardware container where you can keep screws and nails and that kind of stuff, and I'm just going to choose the pink that I really like, and then I'll use a glue dot to put them on here. And you'll see that in just a second. And no, I did not buy all those packets individually. They came I think in a couple of colors, like a pink one and a green one and like a yellow orange one. I bought them at a Scrapbook Expo a couple of years ago and they were really, really inexpensive. All right, you guys, as soon as I get the glue dots on and these sequins on, I am all finished. There will be a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another video again soon. Bye!